Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a very useful Google Chrome extension which actually allows you to simply awake your computer screen or laptop screen. So if your battery is very uh, low and if you do want to actually keep the screen on all the time, then this extension will solve the problem. Normally after 2 minutes the screen goes off, but this extension will solve your problem. It's keep awake display system. Click on add to Chrome. So once you add this extension, the icon will appear. So just you need to activate this keep awake. So the icon will appear something like this. You click on that. So now as you see, keep awake is off. Once keep awake is on, you get this notification. Now the screen will not be dimmed, will not turn to black after 1 minute. It will be on all the time. It's a very useful extension. So once you right click, you see the option. You can keep the system awake or keep the display awake. You allow the notifications. So these are three options which are there. So you click on that. Now this is disabled. Keep awake is off. Again, once you click on that, keep awake is on. So very simple extension, and in some situations you do need the screen to be on all the time. So for those situations, this extension is very much useful. It will save you a lot of time. You don't need to manually keep the screen awake. Click on that to disable it or enable this. So very simple thing that it does, but keep your system or display from going to sleep with just one click for enabling it or disabling it. So you can click system as well or display. So definitely check this extension out.